Hello everybody. Today's quick tip is cleaning up some cast iron using a brush pile. First thing you want to do, clean any rust, loose debris, dirt, etc. off your pans. I happen to have an angle grinder here. You don't need an angle grinder. If you soak your pans in vinegar overnight or even just plain water for a few days, they'll clean right up with a regular hand wire brush. Once those are clean, going to stack up my brush and layer pans and brush. So there's a little pile of brush, then some pans, then some brush, then some pans, so on and so forth. Now I'm just using Crisco, an old rag, some heavy gloves, and a wire brush. I also have a little spoon in there just to spoon the Crisco into the pan. So once the pans are heated, we're just going to pull them out and slather them with oil. They'll darken right up. If it's a little hot, you might get a flash. Just cover it up, go on to the next pan, and after a few moments, be all right. It's a very easy way to clean cast iron. You can do this every spring with the brush that you collect through the winter, spring, etc. You can do it in the fall with fall brush. You can just do it whenever. Here I've used it to restore some old pans, but it works just as well if you're cleaning the pans from your kitchen. Thanks for watching.